Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to center any shape in Sketch Workbench. So let's click on our sketch. I prepared a square. Let's make a circle. Let's make two circles. Let's make the diameter 25 and 25. Now if you want to center the circle in the center of the square, go to the symmetry constraint, select the top right point and the bottom left first, and then select the middle point of the circle. As you can see, it's centered. If you want to center the circle on one side, click the points on one side and then click the center. As you can see, it's centered. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and feel free to support me, link in the description.